Hi Jesse, it's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you a few things that we can do to help bring more business to you. Now you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. There are a lot of business owners out there that are so busy running their own company that they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them even more business. So I started making these videos and giving them away for free. Now, some folks call me after watching this, and some do this stuff themselves. Whatever you would like to do is okay with me. It's free information, but this will rank you on Google if you follow these steps. Now, there's three things I'm going to talk to you about today, which are content, backlinks, and citations. And then obviously we're going to discuss a website for you. So to start out, your website is currently not published. And so we definitely would want to get that published as soon as we can. So right now I've just got Firefly Electric up. They're one of the top competitors in Bozeman at this time. And so this is kind of what their website looks like. And you'd want something kind of similar to this. They've got all of their stuff right up here. They've got their phone number, quick contact number, their name, their logo, what they do. And really you'd want to go into a little bit more detail here. Maybe move this about stuff to an about page and dive into the services that you offer right here on this first page, kind of talk about what you do. And then you can also have a page about those things that maybe goes into more detail on each subject a little bit as well. And then at the bottom, we want to have a really great footer. It's nice to have, more information down here. Again, if you've got Facebook, which of course you do have Facebook, so Facebook or any other social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, that kind of stuff, you can have just little links right down here at the bottom to those. That's really great for customers. But what you're really looking for is just a sleek, simple, visually really nice kind of website that's not overly crowded or hectic. You want to choose colors that go along well, and you want to have a logo that really stands out and is great. And so the most important thing on your website is going to be your content. Google really cares about content, and they want you to be within a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. And so right here I've copied Firefly into wordcounter.net, and they only have 226 words right now. So when you go ahead and have your website built, you want to start out with that 1,500 minimum, and on top of that you want to have some keywords sprinkled in there, things like Electrician, Bozeman, that Google's going to see and crawl and pick up on and help rank you for as well. And next we're going to talk about backlinks. And so Google is similar to a popularity contest, so backlinks are very important because Google wants to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you, saying that you are trustworthy, but Google has to make sure that those backlinks are also trustworthy and relevant. So it's like a network of trustworthy websites just linking to each other, and you need to get some of those linking to you. Now, not all backlinks are going to be created equal, and it's not going to hold as much power through Google's eyes if you have someone like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you aren't a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, but you don't have to use it. There are plenty of free tools out there. So if you were to have a website, we would go ahead and put your website in here, and we would check and see, how many backlinks, how many referring domains, how many websites are linking back to you, what are your organic keywords that you're ranking for, and how much organic traffic are you getting. And so the referring domains, an easy way to start with those is going to be to go to your competitor, see the backlinks that they currently have and what domains are linking back to them, and get yourself added to the exact same ones. Because if this is ranking Firefly Electric, it's also going to rank you as well. Now, in order to do that, all you have to do is create a profile and register it with these, or email the account owner. And sometimes you have to pay a monthly fee, but it's worth it when you start to see that organic traffic piling up. And you have to really consider that fact that people aren't Googling electricians just for fun. So this organic traffic, it's a real number, it's real money. This is people coming to your website every single month. So the higher that is, the more volume you're getting, the more clients you're getting, the more money you're bringing in for your business. So with these 2 tips and building a website, you can beat your top competitors organically in Google. Now, when I talk about organically, I mean right down here. And so you want to aim for that first spot down in this organic section. Now, another spot that you can get yourself added into would be Google Ads, and those generally appear right up here. But the most important part and the last tip for this video is this area right here. This is where you want to rank number 1. It's called the Google My Business or Local Map Pack, and this area gets the most traffic. And the way that you get ranked here is through citations. Now, a citation is your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. So what I would do if I were in your shoes is I'd figure out what directories your competition were in, and I'd put myself in those same exact ones, but I'd add a bunch more on top of that. So if Firefly's sitting at 50 directories, I'd get myself into 100 more or 150 more directories. So that's all I've got for you today, Jessie. I tried to keep this informative and helpful while keeping it short and to the point. So just a quick recap. Really important to get that website page up. Get yourself with that 1,500 content right off the bat. Get yourself some keywords, buyer intent keywords sprinkled in there as well so that Google can help rank you for those. And then, of course, look into your competition's referring domains, their backlinks. Get yourself on all of those same pages, and that's going to help you beat out your competition even more. And then, of course, finally, we want to get into that local map pack here, and we want to get ourselves ranked first. And so we got to get our information out there on all those directories. Now, you're probably wondering what to do now. You've got 2 options. You can take this information and you can knock it all out yourself, and I totally invite you to do that. It does take some time, so the sooner you get started, the better. But if you're like other folks that I chat with and you want this done, but you don't have a lot of time to do it yourself, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about your goals and come up with a plan for you. You can get in touch with me at 406-530-7548. Please feel free to call or text, whatever's most convenient for you. Thank you.